yellow plus blue equals green. 2 hydrogen plus oxygen equals water. Squirrel hides an acorn plus rain falls equals oak tree grows. Multiplying mosquitoes plus hungry birds equals fewer pests at your picnic. Pioneers plus yummy maple syrup equals preservation of old-growth forest. Untouched forest plus Mr. Taylor's foresight equals Hueston Woods State Park. Ground and surface water drainage plus contained area of land equals watershed. Day off plus big fish equals
my catfish is about that big.
Bragging rights. Sweltering hot Saturday plus refreshingly cool stream equals family fun. Picnic plus corn on the cob equals full stomach. Farmer applies fertilizer plus rain washes fertilizer away equals excess fertilizer in lake. Excess fertilizer in lake plus photosynthesis equals algae overdose. Algae overdose plus few opponents equals lack of dissolved oxygen. Lack of dissolved oxygen plus your favorite fishing spot equals no fish to catch. Deforestation plus rain equals cloudy water. Soil runoff plus sedimentation equals marina too shallow for your boat. Cloudy water plus no fish to catch equals no family fun. Detect problem plus collect data equals analyze results. Cleaner water plus environmental appreciation equals respect for your watershed and everybody else's.